Y'all, it's Chris. We're back in with another video. This is track day number 8. Going back to Pocono Raceway like I did for track day number 7. And as you can see, or maybe not, but it's raining. And unfortunately, I mean, I don't know about unfortunately, but it's like the 3rd or 4th session I've done this year that has been raining. So I haven't really been having that much luck, but today is just me. My brothers couldn't make it, my dad couldn't make it, Gael couldn't make it as well, so it's just me this time. Having some issues with my front right headlight, so I don't know, that has nothing to do with the road. It's mostly the tires I'm concerned about, with it being wet and whatever. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Let's get into it. Go ahead. Good. It's a shame they don't allow you to have your windows up, even in this basically torrential downpour. Gotta have the windows down, so this seat's gonna get messed up if I roll this window down. I don't have to keep the passenger window down, I have to keep the driver's side window down. So this is gonna get all wet, you know, my shoulder's gonna get all wet probably. Thank you. We'll see how good or bad these R888 lights are in the rain. You can barely see. I'm gonna have to turn on the AC. It's fogging up like crazy. Alright, that worked. Hand is soaked. I cannot stop. Brakes are fine, but the tires are slipping. Yeah, the water went down my shirt. Alright, so that is going to conclude this video. This is Trackday number 8. I don't know if I was able to explain it in the video, but it was raining so hard that they actually pulled us off very early. Third session, we were out there for like 5 minutes. As you saw, it was like a torrential downpour, and they pulled us off within like 5 minutes. So, you know, 15 minutes didn't get to do that session. If I were to reflect on this track day, which I try to do in every, you know, at the end of these videos, I would say this one, unfortunately, I wasn't quite able to learn very much because it was raining so hard. I guess, you know, it's one thing to say that you learn how to sort of drive in the rain, but personally, I was a little worried because these tires, like I've always mentioned, are not good in the rain. They slide quite a bit. So I wasn't really pushing it as much as I probably would have done in, you know, other track day videos that you might have seen. So with that being said, it was fun. I had a good time. You know, my clothes are wet because the windows are down, or were down. But didn't really learn very much. But my goal is still to hit 10 track days. I don't know if I've explained this in another video, but my goal is to hit 10 track days. I'm currently at 8, including this one. So there are 3 more sessions this year in October, and I need to hit 2 of them in order to hit that goal. Right now I'm wrestling with the life I have left on my brakes. I think my tire is okay. Had a variety of maintenance things to do lately. Hopefully that's the end of it, although there's something new with this headlight malfunction thing. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Wasn't really much this time around, but yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace. So it turns out it's starting to rain very, very bad. And I don't know if you can see in the video, but people in front of me are now starting to put their hazards on. And mind you, these are people with, you know, SUVs and all-wheel drive vehicles. And yeah, we're doing like 49. This is a 65-mile-per-hour highway. And with that being said, most of the time, it's 65, most people are doing 80. And this guy behind me is just fucking tailgating me. I don't know why. There's a left lane if you really want to go that fast.